Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play with friends on Sea of Thieves on PlayStation 5. First, make sure everyone has a PlayStation Plus subscription, which is essential for online play. Next, link your PlayStation Network account to an Xbox account. This enables seamless crossplay with friends on other platforms. Once the game is installed, launch it and head to the main menu. These initial steps are crucial for setting up your pirate adventures together. To form your pirate crew, start by selecting either Adventure or High Seas from the main menu. You'll then choose your ship size. A sloop is perfect for 2 players, while a galleon accommodates up to 4. After selecting your vessel, simply choose the Invite Friends option. This will bring up your friends list, allowing you to send invitations directly to those you want to sail with. It's a straightforward process to get your team together. If a friend has already started a session, you can easily join them. The simplest way is to accept an invitation they send directly to you. Another option is to use the Join Friends feature within the game itself, which lets you see active sessions. Remember, your friend needs to be in a game for you to join their crew. Once connected, confirm your pirate and ship choices, and you'll be ready to set sail on the open seas. Sea of Thieves offers fantastic cross-platform play, meaning PlayStation 5 players can adventure with friends on Xbox consoles and personal computers. This broad compatibility ensures everyone can sail together, regardless of their gaming system. Just make sure all crew members have linked their respective accounts for the smoothest experience. Effective communication, whether through in-game voice chat or a separate application, is key to successful voyages and shared treasure hunting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.